Hey there. As a solopreneur, you know customer feedback is pure gold, right? But let's be honest, sorting through it all can feel like a full-time job you never signed up for. Well, today, we're gonna flip that script. We are turning that chore into your single biggest strategic advantage, and we're gonna use AI automation to do it. Let's build your very own feedback to fortune machine. So, does this look familiar? You've got survey responses piling up, support emails, DMs, social media comments. It's just coming at you from all sides. It is a total flood of information, and it's easy to feel like you're just treading water, you know? Never mind actually finding something useful in all that noise.
But here's the thing. Hidden inside all that chaos are the answers to your most important business questions. Like, what specific feature is causing the most headaches? Which marketing message is actually working? Why are customers really churning? Believe me, your customers are telling you everything you need to know.
So here's what we're going to do in this explainer. We are going to build a machine, a simple, automated engine that sifts through all that feedback for you, finds those golden nuggets of insight, and serves them right up. And the best part, we're going to do it with no-code tools you can literally set up this afternoon.
Okay, first things first, we need a bit of a mental shift here. We have to stop seeing feedback as this big pile of comments you'll get to later. Instead, we need to start treating it for what it is, a live stream of signals about the real-time health of your business.
This quote just nails the problem with doing this stuff manually. When you're just spot-checking feedback here and there, you're missing the context, you're missing the patterns, you're missing the real story. An automated system, though, it hears the entire conversation 24/7.
And that brings us to this really key idea: actionable signals. This isn't just about figuring out if a comment is positive or negative. No, this is about turning a passive piece of feedback into an intelligent trigger, like a fire alarm that tells you exactly what to do right now.
So this right here, this is our whole strategy at a glance. It's a simple flow. Feedback comes in from wherever, a form, an email, whatever. It immediately gets analyzed by an AI. And that analysis instantly triggers a smart action, like, say, creating a support ticket or pinging you on Slack. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's always on.
Okay, so how does the magic in that little middle box actually happen? Let's pop the hood and look at the AI analysis engine. I promise it's way more straightforward than it sounds.
So check this out. This is the power of doing things in parallel. When a new piece of feedback arrives, the AI doesn't just do one thing. It's doing a bunch of things all at once. It's checking the emotion, it's pulling out key topics, it's spotting product names, and it's grabbing feature requests, all in a split second.
Now, the most basic and maybe most important type of analysis is sentiment analysis. In plain English, the AI reads the text and it just gets the vibe. Is this customer happy? Are they furious? Are they just kind of confused? Are they about to cancel their subscription? Or are they your biggest fan? Just knowing this is a total game changer for figuring out what needs your attention first.
All right, enough theory. Let's get our hands dirty. I'm going to walk you through building your very first AI analyzer, step by step. No code, no stress, just a massive, massive upgrade for your business. Let's do this. It's really just 3 simple steps, especially if you're using a tool like Zapier. So, step 1 is the trigger. A new response hits your Typeform survey. Bam! Step 2 is the action. That response text gets instantly sent over to an AI like ChatGPT. And finally, step 3 is the output. The original comment, plus all of the AI's smart analysis, gets dropped neatly into a new row in a Google Sheet. That's it.
And what do you actually tell the AI to do? Well, it's as simple as writing a clear instruction just like this prompt right here. You tell it what to look at, the form response, and then you just list out exactly what you want it to find. The sentiment, the key topics, any specific suggestions. You can totally customize this to look for whatever matters most to you.
And just like that, you've done it. In literally minutes, you have built a tireless digital assistant that works for you around the clock. It never gets tired, it never misses a single piece of feedback, and it builds you an incredibly valuable, perfectly organized database of customer intelligence while you sleep. Okay, so you have this amazing spreadsheet, right? And it's just automatically filling up with incredible insights. So what's next? I mean, collecting data is great, but the real magic happens when you can see it. Let's turn that raw data into a powerful decision-making tool.
First, a real quick but important distinction. People mix these up all the time. A dashboard helps you monitor what's happening, like tracking customer happiness this week. A scorecard, on the other hand, helps you manage toward a big goal, like increasing that happiness score by 10% this quarter. We're going to focus on the dashboard for now.
Now, the whole point of a dashboard is clarity at a glance. I mean, just look at the difference here. The design on the left, it tells a clear, simple story. The one on the right is a cluttered mess that just gives you a headache. As a solopreneur, your time is your most precious asset. You need the one on the left. Seriously, less is more. So how do you get there? The most important rule of all is to keep it simple. Do not try to track everything. Just focus on the few key numbers that actually help you make a decision. And because our data is coming from that Google Sheet we just built, your dashboard will always be current, giving you a real-time pulse on your business. This is the kind of command center we're aiming for. See how clean it is? You can instantly spot key metrics, you can see trends, and you can understand the health of your business without ever having to dig through a spreadsheet again. This is what lets you make smarter, faster decisions. And you want to know the best part? That Google Sheet you automated earlier, it's the perfect fuel for this dashboard. You can hook it up to a free tool like Google Looker Studio, and it will update everything in real time. You build this connection one time, and it just works for you forever.
So let's just take a step back and really appreciate what you've built here. This isn't just a nifty automation. It's a complete end-to-end system. It's a true engine that turns the voice of your customer into a living, breathing roadmap for your business. So, we end on this question. You now have a way to listen to your customers at scale, in real time, with a kind of clarity you've never had before. They are literally handing you the keys to your own success. The only question left is, what will you build with that power?